Hello students, welcome to Sonu's Learning World. Today we are discussing metrics of class 12. We are discussing exercise 3.1, fourth questions, third part. So what is the third part? Third question is aij is equal to I plus 2j the whole square divided by 2. So this is a 2 by 2 matrix. So how can we write the matrix? A is equal to, matrix is A is equal to A11, A12, A21 and A22. This is our matrix. Okay. So first we can find the first element A11. So A11 means instead of I we have to give 1 and instead of j we have to give 1. So this is 1 plus 2 into 1 the whole square divided by 2. Okay, so 1 plus 2 into 1, that is 2 into 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. So 3 the whole square, that is 3 square by 2, that is 9 by 2. Next is A12. Here I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 2. Substitute the values 1 plus 2 into 2 the whole square divided by 2. That is 2 into 2 is 4. Plus 1 is 5. 5 square is 25, that is equal to 25 by 2. Next is A21. A21 is I is 2 and j is 1. So 2 plus 2 into 1 the whole square divided by 2, that is equal to 2 plus 2, that is 4, that is equal to 4. 4 square is 16. 16 by 2 is 8. Next is A22. Both I and j are 2 and 2. So 2 plus 2 into 2 the whole square divided by 2, that is 36 by 2, that is equal to 18. So our matrix is A is equal to 9 by 2, 25 by 2, 8 and 18. Question number 5. Construct a 3 by 4 matrix whose elements are given by Aij is equal to 1 by 2 mod of 3 minus 3i plus j. So this is a 3 by 4 matrix, which means that it has 3 rows and 4 columns. So these are our 3 rows, A11, A12, A13 and A14. It has 4 columns and 3 rows. So this is the required matrix. So first we can find the first element, A11. A11 is 1 by 2 into minus 3 into, instead of I we can substitute 1, minus 3 into 1 plus 1, half into minus 3 plus 1, that is equal to minus 2. Okay, this is modulus of minus 2 is plus 2. Okay, when we remove the modulus symbol, then it will come positive value. Okay, so half into 2, that is equal to 1. Next is A12. A12 is half mod of I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 2. So minus 3 into 1 plus 2 whole modulus. Half into minus 3 plus 2. Minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. That is half into minus 1 is equal to plus 1. So that is the answer. Half into 1 is half. Next is A14. A14 is equal to half into mod of minus 3 into 1 plus 4. That is half into minus 3 plus 4. Half into 1, that is equal to half. Similarly, we can find A21, 22, 23, 24 and 31, 32, 33 and 34. So our final answer is A is equal to 1, 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 2, 5 by 2, 2, 3 by 2, 1, 4, 7 by 2, 3 and 5 by 2. This is a required matrix. Next is a sixth question. Find the values of x, y and z from the following equations. So it's been given that these matrices are equal. 4, 3, x5 is a matrix and y, z, 1, 5 is another matrix. So it has been given that these two matrices are equal. If these two matrices are equal, then we can equate the elements of the matrix. So elements will be equal. So 4 is equal to y. We got the value of y as 4. 3 is equal to z. So the value of z is 3. And x. X is equal to 1. So we got the value of x. Okay. If two matrices are equal, then we can equate the elements of the two matrices. So next question. x plus y 2, 5 plus z xy. This matrix is equal to 6, 2 and 5, 8. So we can equate the elements of this matrix. So students, x plus y is equal to 6. Okay, x plus y is equal to 6. And next is 5 plus z. 5 plus z is equal to 5. This is 2 and 2. Those are same. So 5 plus z is equal to 5. Next is xy is equal to 8. So here from this equation 5 plus z is equal to 5, we can find the value of z. We got the value of z as 0. And here y can be written as 6 minus x, and in this equation xy is equal to 8. We have this equation xy is equal to 8. So we can substitute the value of this y in this equation. So x into, instead of y, I am writing 6 minus x. 6 minus x is equal to 8. I am multiplying this x. 6x minus x square is equal to 8. So this is minus x square plus 6x. I am taking this 8 to the LHS. So minus 8 is equal to 0. So I am changing the sign. Okay, I am changing the full sign because the coefficient of x square is minus 1. So I am changing this to plus 1. So I am changing the sign of full terms. So x square, this plus 6x becomes minus 6x, minus 8 becomes plus 8, that is equal to 0. And here we can use middle term splitting method. Okay, and we get x minus 4 into x minus 2 is equal to 0, and hence the value of x is 4 and 2. Okay, so x has two values. If x has two values, we get two values for y also. So when x is equal to 2, y is equal to 4, z has only one value. Z has only one value, that is equal to 0. When x is equal to 4, what is the value of y? Y is equal to 6 minus 4, that is equal to 2. Here also z is equal to 0. So we got the values of x, y and z. Next question. X plus y plus z, x plus z and y plus z, that is equal to 9, 5, 7. So first we can equate the elements of the matrix. X plus y plus z is equal to 9, x plus z is equal to 5 and y plus z is equal to 7. This is very easy because x plus z is given as 5. Okay students, so our first equation is x plus y plus z is equal to 9. So instead of this x plus z, that is x plus z, we can substitute 5. So 5 plus what is remaining? Y is equal to 9. So y is equal to 9 minus 5, that is equal to 4. We got the value of y. Okay, next is y plus z is equal to 7. So this is our first equation, x plus y plus, in the same equation instead of y plus z, where is y plus z? This is y plus z. So instead of y plus z, we can give 7, that is equal to 9. So x is equal to 9 minus 7, that is equal to 2. So value of x is equal to 2, y is equal to 4, and what is the value of z? We can substitute the value of x or y. You can take any of these equations and you can substitute the values of x or y. I took the second equation, that is x plus z is equal to 5. Okay, what is the value of x? X is 2. 2 plus z is equal to 5. Z is equal to 5 minus 2, that is equal to 3. So I got the value of z. Next question, question number 7. Find the values of a, b, c and d from the equation a minus b 2a plus c, 2a minus b 3c plus d is equal to minus 1, 5, 0, 13. So it's given that these two matrices are equal. So we can equate the elements of the matrix. The first one is a minus b is equal to minus 1. Okay students, next is 2a plus c is equal to 5. Next is 2a minus b is equal to 0. And next is 3c plus d is equal to 13. We got 4 equations. Okay, here we have to solve some of the equations and then only we can find the values of a, b, c and d. So how can we solve these equations? Okay, we have to see this equation is in terms of A and B, and this is also in terms of A and B. These two equations are in terms of A and B. So, I am taking these two equations and here I am going to solve these two equations. Okay, students, if I am changing the sign of the second equation, then I can cut this B and B because this is minus B and this is minus B. If I am changing this to plus B, then I can cut B. I can cancel the terms of B and I will be able to find the value of A. So I am changing the sign. I am making this minus, this is plus, this is 0. So I need not change anything. So next, this is 1, this is 1. So 1 minus 2 is minus 1A and this got cancelled, that is equal to minus 1. So I got the value of A as 1. Okay, value of A is equal to 1. Next, I can put the value of A in any of these equations to find the value of B. I took the first one. A minus B is equal to minus 1. So, minus B is equal to value of A is 1. So, minus 1 and the minus 1. Okay. So, I got the value of B as 2. Okay. Next, I can find the value of C because I have an equation in terms of A and C. We already know the value of A. So, I can put the value of A and find the value of C. That is, C is equal to 3. Same way, 3C plus D is equal to 13. I can put the value of C here. I can find the value of D. Okay. So, students, we got the value of A as 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 3 and D is equal to 4. So, students, if you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.